How to fix auto connection is not working in Moto G17 power. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, check charger. After your check charger, clear cache of Android update. Open setting. Scroll down. Click on apps. Now here you will see app search Android update. Now click on Android update. Scroll down, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Android update will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Scroll down. Click on system update. Click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix auto connection is not working in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.